Good evening, guys. Pedro here with another live stream, guys. Today is Wednesday, October 5th. Super excited to have you guys here. Join me with another live stream, guys. We do live streams every single day, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go, guys. And I'm just gonna be updating some video description. So give me 1 second, guys. Welcome to the channel, guys. If you're new to the family, make sure you guys subscribe below. Appreciate you guys very much, guys. So we're gonna take a look at pre-London session, guys. We're gonna take a look at any pairs that we may see that have any potential, guys. So I'll let you guys know. Thank you guys for joining in. I really appreciate you guys. So we're gonna begin, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for joining, guys. In the meantime, like I said, I'm just gonna update the video description here. Make sure you guys don't be shy. Comment below. Let me know where you guys are coming from. Let me know your name, guys. Let's go, guys. Take a look at some charts, guys. Take a look at overall analysis, guys. Kind of do a nice overview of kind of what pairs we're looking at, guys. Which pairs are, setting up for good potential trade setups. Let's get it, guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing evening. I hope you guys also enjoyed your day. So let's go, guys. Let's get it. Bear with me, guys, here. Jefferson, welcome, Jefferson. Welcome to the channel. I'm not sure if it's your first time here, guys. Welcome. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys, so you get notified every single time we're live. Give me 1 second here, guys. We've got some ads going on here. Give me 1 sec. We're gonna begin shortly, guys. Let's get it, guys. Lots of great trade opportunities lining up, guys. So we'll take a look and see what we can expect. Thank you guys for joining in. Really appreciate you guys. As you know, we're here live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. So welcome, guys. Welcome. Super stoked, super excited to have you all join in, guys. So we're gonna wait for a couple more people to join in, and then we'll get all set up, guys. Guys, if you guys enjoy these live streams, guys, make sure you smash that like button for me. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's smash that like button. Go. Enjoy, love the Spanish music, man. All right, guys, just gonna wait for a couple more people to join in, guys. Just updating video description stuff, so bear with me here, guys. Appreciate you guys joining in to this live stream, guys. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below, in the chat box below. Also, guys, make sure you guys join our free Telegram group, guys. It's absolutely free to join. You can click the link below in the video description, guys, to join our free Telegram group, guys. So we're gonna kind of go over some of the pairs that we looked at, guys, some of the trades that we took today, and kind of what we can expect for the market and what it can offer, guys. We had some pairs go actually in our favor, which is amazing. We could see even here, for example, NZD/USD. Look at my markups here, guys. We had price literally move exactly as predicted, guys. Look at my arrow here, guys. Look at my structured area here, right? Everything as predicted, guys. So now I can expect for NZD/USD to pull back, guys. I'm expecting NZD/USD to pull back to this level of structure here. You know, this level of support. So we can expect some sort of a pullback to this level of structure, and I want to see price come back down to these levels and reject this level of structure. I want to see price hold this level of support for a continuation to the upside, guys. So that's kind of what I can expect in terms of NZD/USD, and you know, we can kind of go from there, guys, and go with the flow basically, and see what price does, guys. So we'll see what ends up happening, but that's kind of what I'm looking at for NZD/CAD right now, guys. So let's go, guys. Welcome. Got a couple new members just joining in, guys. We'll let our Telegram group know as well that we are live. We are live a little bit later today, so that's good though, because we're going to be able to kind of go over some of the pairs, guys, just before London session. So welcome, guys. Couple new members just joining in, guys. Welcome to the family, guys. Don't be shy. Let me know you're just joining in, guys, in the chat box below. Let us know where you're joining us from, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys, so we got Auto Bliss here. We've got Hey Bro ready for tonight's live. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. Get those fire emojis in the chat box below, guys. Let's get it. Thanks so much, guys, for joining in. So as you guys can see, NZD/CAD, it went exactly as predicted, guys. It went in our favor, guys, to the upside, and so we got a nice continuation to the upside exactly as predicted. So we're kind of seeing some price kind of pull back, guys. So we can expect a continuation to the downside, guys. We are getting that pullback now, so we can expect a nice continuation to the downside to at least this level of structure, guys. And I want to see price reject this level of structure, guys, before we start seeing a continuation to the upside. You can see basically my markups here, guys, for price and what I can expect. Excuse me. And if you take a look, it's funny enough, guys. Literally, if you take a look, price literally went exactly as predicted and exactly to the same height level. And funny enough, I think this level I drew it because if you look on the left hand side, you can see that this is a level of support. So this is actually a level of structure, guys. If we kind of line this up like this, look at that. It's actually a major level of structure. So it's kind of an area where price would react anyways. So we are kind of getting that rejection level of the structure, which is good. So that's a strong indication to us that we might get a nice clean pullback to this level lows down here. And so what we want to see is price hold this level of support for a potential continuation to the upside. We can start looking for buy setups above this level structure here, and we can start looking for nice clean buys. So that's what I'm expecting for NZD USD, guys. And yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at there on the higher time frames. In terms of gold, we got a nice push to the upside at the beginning of the live stream today. So we had a nice live stream this morning. I did explain, guys, we are ranging. You guys could see this highlighted area. This was the kind of the ranging area. So we saw price kind of moving back and forth, and then we got a nice push to the upside, and then we got a nice clean retest. And as you guys could see, we pretty much look for nice clean buy setups above this level structure. And the type of movement we were seeing was anywhere between, wow, over 92 pips. So there's a lot of movement to be done. So price did go up to 92 pips, guys. So obviously we didn't get in just yet, but I was looking at buy setups above this level of structure, which price ended up pushing above. And so a really cool setup, guys. Just wanted to show you kind of what I was looking at and what you can expect for price to do. So yeah, let's go, guys. Welcome. Don't be shy, guys. Feel free to comment below. Also smash that like button, guys, if you do appreciate these live streams, guys. I appreciate you guys having you here, guys. I appreciate you guys joining the family, guys. And like I said, guys, we're here live every single day in the mornings at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So guys, if you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing, guys. You guys are missing out. So let's get it, guys. Let me know what kind of pairs you're looking at, what you guys are expecting price to do, guys. Let me know in the chat box below. We're going to continue on, guys. Here we're going to take a look at Euro USD. If we go to the higher time frames like the daily, guys, so that way we can understand the overall direction of the market. We can see a nice clean push to the downside. You can see that line area drawn out here. You guys can see that I've already drawn a downwards trend. We have been looking for a nice clean continuation to the downside. However, we are kind of pulling back above this level of structure. We could see a short-term buy and then a nice continuation sell to the downside, guys. For Euro USD, guys, that's kind of what I can expect. Even if we narrow it down to the 4 hour, this looks much more cleaner. And so we are it seems like we are kind of respecting this level of structure. So we can expect price potentially come up to these highs, create some sort of a double top formation. Then we can see a nice continuation to the downside, guys. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for Euro USD, guys. And so what we can expect for price to do, guys. So that's kind of what I'm looking at there in itself. I hope you guys are understanding that explanation. If you are, guys, smash that like button. Also, guys, introduce yourself. Don't be shy, guys. Let me know where you guys are joining us from. I do read every single message, guys. So yeah, we can kind of go from there. So I'm expecting, like I said, one more push, slightly at least to these highs is kind of where I want to see price to come up to, is at least these level structure highs. This is kind of an area that is pretty darn crucial for price to come back up. Okay. Guys, don't be shy. Feel free to comment in the chat box below if you have any further questions, guys. And so yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at. Even if we go up to the higher time frame here, we can see that we are in a longer downwards trend. That's kind of what we're looking at in terms of long term, guys. We are looking at a nice clean downwards trend momentum. And so what we can expect is a nice clean pullback and a rejection of this level structure for a continuation of sells. And so like I said, guys, price could come back up, create some sort of a double top, and then finally start looking for sell setups But I'll keep you guys in the loop for this trade in itself, guys, and we'll see what ends up happening, guys. Anything below this level of structure here, that's why I do have it highlighted. Sell setups below this level of structure, that's kind of what I'm looking at, guys. Welcome guys. Couple new members just joining in, guys. Make sure you guys, for those of you that are just joining, guys, make sure you guys smash that like button for me if you enjoyed these live streams. As you know, we're here every single day. But also, guys, make sure you guys don't forget to hit the little notification bell when you subscribe, guys, because I always come on live in the mornings. But however, I do these surprise live streams in the evenings, guys. So if you don't want to miss out, you want to make sure you're trading, you know, you're taking your trading to the next level, guys. You come to the right place. So I really do appreciate you guys. And so yeah, let's continue on here. Kind of take a look at GJ here. So kind of what are we expecting for GJ? We're expecting some sort of a sell setup. Even if we go on the higher time frame like the daily, you know, we are kind of stuck in this ranging area. We are kind of at the top of this range anyways. So there's lots of things we're expecting for GJ to do. We are potentially looking for GJ to continue to the downside, especially that now that we are kind of at a major level of structure. We can start looking for nice clean sells as long as price rejects this level structure here. If we go over to the 1 hour, we want to see kind of price reject this level structure. However, we don't have that much volume, guys, so that volume is kind of keeping price stale. It's just not moving up or down, right? So that's something to keep in mind. Bays, we've got gold, sells or buy. Hey, Bays, not sure if you're new to the family, but welcome to the family. Really appreciate you joining in. You know, if you're not already a part of the family, make sure you join. And let's take a look at gold anyway. So we'll take a look at gold for you. We got a couple new members just joining the family. Appreciate you guys. Welcome. And we're gonna continue on here and see kind of what we can expect for GJ. I'm gonna clear the charts here on the fib, and so we know that this is a major level of structure. We also know, guys, that basically you know, price kind of failed to hold this level of support, and that's totally fine, especially when we know we're potentially breaking a trend line, we're potentially breaking a major level of structure. So we can expect price to actually come up a little bit higher and retest before continuing to go down higher, go down lower, guys. That's kind of what we can expect, but we aren't. Basically, we don't have that volume just yet, guys. So right now it's not really a good time to trade anyways. But it's just something we can expect for price to potentially do. And so that's kind of what we're looking at right now. In the meantime, guys, let's take a look at gold and see what's going on with gold. Let's go, guys. So with gold, guys, even if we kind of narrow it down to kind of a trade from, let's take a look at, what is it, October 6th? We've got October 4th, so 2 days ago. Even over here, we've got 5, 4. Okay, so we've got potentially anywhere a trade lesson, probably around here at this level here. We can look for price to react. But we could see here where price was actually in this ranging area. So if you take a look, guys, we are ranging here on gold in the higher time frames. Even if we look here, we're just kind of stuck in this range. Even if it's a high level structure, we're kind of stuck within this ranging area. So we have to make sure, what do we look for when we're stuck in a range? We're looking for a breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside, guys. So this is really crucial, guys, for you guys to understand that, you know, we are looking for a breakout, and that breakout could be to the upside or to the downside. So make sure you guys trade with caution, guys. We've got, I think it's Bridget, subscribe to the channel. Bridget, welcome to the family. Really appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that little subscribe button. So not subscribe, but the little bell, notification bell, so you get notified every single time we're live. So yeah, let's take a look and continue on into gold. So right now with gold, we're kind of at the highs of the range. Okay, so now that we know we're in a range, we know that this is the high of the range, okay, and we know that this is the low of the range. We are kind of potentially looking for sells. However, we want to see the next candle at least close bearish, and then we can start looking for nice clean sells to the downside, at least to these level lows. But we do need to see this candle close bearish first, and actually close, not just turn bearish and then just let price do its thing, because what could happen is that price could come down, look super bearish in the next candle, or that exact same candle wicks back up, and then it's now invalidates the trade setup, guys. Right? So we know we're at a major level of structure. We know that this is a level where price has respected in the past. We're pretty much coming back up to this level here, and so we want to see a nice clean rejection of this level of structure, and we'll see what ends up happening, guys. So we want to see nice clean rejections of this level highs, and if we see a nice clean rejection and we see a nice bearish candle form, bearish candle close, we can start targeting the lows of this level of structure, and a nice clean continuation to the downside for gold, guys. That's kind of what we're expecting on gold anyways. So guys, smash that like button if you understood that explanation, guys. Give me a nice thumbs up if you understood that explanation. Also, guys, feel free to introduce yourself if you're new to the channel, guys. Introduce yourself. Let me know where you guys are joining us from. Let's go. Let me know your names, where you're joining us from, guys. And like I said, I really do appreciate you guys joining in. Give me 1 second here, guys. It seems like just having a little bit of technical difficulty here, guys, so just give me 1 second here. We've got our alert system here is not coming off. Give me 1 sec. Okay, guys, let me know if you understood that explanation on gold. We're kind of at the highs of the range. We're just going to wait for a nice bearish candle close. We want to see rejection of this level highs, and we can start looking for nice clean sell setups, guys. Let me know if you understood that explanation. Let's go, let's get it, guys. Also, don't be shy, comment below. There we go. Daniel, we've got Baki. We've got what's up, man? Okay, we've got Daniel, we've got South Africa. Let's go from South Africa. Let's get it. Round of applause for Daniel. We've got Baki. What's good, bro? What's up, man? Let's get it. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the family. Let's go. Let me know what kind of pairs you guys are looking at anyways. So we're going to continue on, guys, with USD JPY. And there's one thing I got to tell you guys. At the beginning of this live stream today, I had mentioned to you guys, we're ranging right here. So this is the 1 hour time frame, by the way. And I literally told you guys, we are ranging at this level of structure here. We had kind of this inverse head and shoulders. You can kind of see my pattern formation here, left shoulder, head, and right shoulders. And so we are expecting a short-term pullback to these highs. And so we got a nice clean push to the upside. We had a nice retest. Price started ranging, and I said, guys, within the range, we're looking for a breakout. Most likely, we're going to see a breakout to the upside. And if you realize it, guys, look at this trade setup that I had lined up here. Oh, excuse me. That was a nice clean push to the upside of over 31 pips. That would have been about $310 if you would have done a full lot, and only risking 150 pips. Only risking 15 pips, so that would have been $150. So that's amazing, guys. And as you guys can see, price went exactly as predicted and exactly to these level highs. It didn't go any second higher, so it went exactly as predicted, guys. So this is a really nice trade that went on USD/JPY exactly in our favor. And you guys can see my notes here on the left and on the right hand side. You can see buy setups above this level structure, right? So really clean trade. It ended up going in our favor. So really happy and excited how that ended up panning out. Okay, let's take a look at AUUSD. Let's kind of go on the higher time frame here, guys. So again, we're kind of stuck in this range. Overall, long term, I'm actually expecting price to potentially come back up to these highs, and then a nice clean continuation to the downside. So that's kind of something I may be expecting. We don't know, however, this is the daily time frame. We do need to see price kind of break out of this ranging area, and then once we get a nice clean breakout, we can start looking for sells or buys. But there's something that we just need to kind of wait and see that breakout. Once we get that breakout, we wait for that candle to close, and then we get in on the next following candle and kind of go from there. We've got Canada, bro, awesome. The fuck, okay, we've got TF for all those lines. Those are just trend lines. So we basically put these here. I don't really use moving averages or anything like that. Sometimes I just have it, and if what I have you see here is a 20 moving average and the 50 moving average, those are the only indicators that I really use. Other than that, I don't really use indicators. I focus on basic market structure, and so any lines that you see here are kind of major levels of structure that I notice. You can see kind of the structure highs and structure lows, and then this kind of highlighted areas are basically fake outs that I see in the markets, right? So these highs here, you can see that that's the level highs here. Price had respected this level structure multiple times. Same thing here, this is kind of a level that we were looking at, so that's why I drew that line there. And then same thing at the bottom, guys. This is kind of a bottom area where I can expect price is going to react, right? So I hope you guys are understanding the explanation, guys. If you guys are understanding that explanation as to what I'm looking at, guys, make sure you guys smash that like button for me. And if you have any questions, guys, don't be shy to comment below in the chat box below. Also, guys, now that you guys are just joining us in, make sure you guys also join our free Telegram group, Blessed Traders Academy. It's absolutely free to join. I'm going to put the link in this chat box below so that you guys can join us in there. All right, so make sure you guys click the link for that. All right, guys. Let's go, let's go. All right, let's take a look and see what's going on here. So let's go back to gold. Yeah, so overall long term, even if we take a look at gold, we're kind of at a major level of structure. And if you look at the kind of overall bigger picture, so if I kind of even clear the charts here on gold just for the sake of it, just clear the charts, we could see that gold has been trending to the downside. Even if we create some sort of a trend line here, you see that gold has been pretty darn bearish, so we can expect a nice clean continuation to the downside for gold. And then in terms of like this pullback, we can see that we've gotten a nice clean push to the upside, and so we are kind of waiting for a nice break below this level of structure for a nice continuation to the downside. That's kind of one of the major factors here I'm expecting for gold. And then if we go up to the higher time frame, like let's say like the 1 hour, we are looking for price to react to this level of structure. You can see that price has used it as resistance, support, a little bit of resistance. So that's kind of a major level of structure, kind of an area where I'm expecting price to potentially come to. And if we go up to the higher time frame again, we can see that pretty much we kind of broke this level of support here, right? And so we were failing to hold this level of support here. I'm going to highlight it right here over here. You can see that's a major level of support. And so unfortunately we did fail to hold this level of support on Euro USD, sorry, on gold. And so we got that rejection there on the higher time frame. Even if we go down the 4 hour, we could expect some sort of a double top formation. So we got to be very, very patient, wait for that candle, kind of bearish candle close, and then we can start looking for nice sells. And my next target level for gold would be this level structure down here, as a kind of pretty much a target level for take profit. So we need to kind of be very patient though, however, right now, because we are kind of getting price to pull back and potentially create a double top formation. Also, any break, kind of like continuing here, or a break to the upside would invalidate a double top formation. So we want to wait for price to come back up and start nice bearish candle formations, and then we can start looking for nice clean sells to the bottom of this range. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm expecting for gold. We just have to be very, very, very patient, guys. Okay. We've got Auto Bliss here. I've been watching your videos and lives, and I gotta tell you, bro, I like the way you explain and been learning a lot from you. Hey, I really do appreciate it. Auto Bliss, let's go, let's go. Yeah, you know, I try to explain ways that, you know, the most simplified approach when it comes to trading. I try my absolute best to provide the most value that I can, guys. So I really appreciate you guys joining in today, guys, and I really appreciate you guys joining our live stream. If you guys enjoy these videos, you enjoyed these explanations, guys, make sure you guys smash that like button, guys. It does help the channel, guys, so I really do appreciate the support and love. Also, guys, comment below, let me know any pairs that you are looking at currently. Also, let me know where you're joining us from, guys. I know we got a couple people from South Africa, some people from Australia, some people from all over the world. So really happy to have you guys here join us tonight, guys. So yeah, don't be shy, guys. Let me know where you're from, let me know your name, and I do read every single message, guys. So let's continue on here, guys. So we're gonna take a look at our GJ trade that we were looking at here. And so what are these lines here? So these lines might look a little confusing to you, and I'm gonna explain that in a second. So GJ, what are we looking at, GJ? So GJ has been trending for quite some time. Essentially, we're kind of in a ranging market here on GJ on the daily, and if we kind of narrow it down to the 4 hour, you'll be able to see it much more clear. And so we've been ranging for quite some time on USD JPY, or sorry, GBP JPY, not USD JPY, GBP JPY. We have been trending sideways, and so we can kind of basically, what do we look for when we're kind of in a ranging market? Well, we've got the highs of the range and we've got the lows of the range. Okay, so typically within a ranging area, we are looking for what? We are looking for a breakout, and that breakout could be to the downside or to the upside, right? So we also have to be very careful with kind of how we look at the markets and be like, okay, where are we? We understand the major the overall direction of the market. What is it doing? Is it trending? Is it going upwards? Is it going downwards? Or is it trending sideways? And here's a little secret, guys. Here's a little thing I'll let you know since now. Typically 90, I wouldn't say 90%, but almost 75% to almost 80% of the time, the market is ranging. Okay, and so now that we know that we're kind of stuck in this range, and we know that this is basically the highs of this range, we can expect a nice potential pullback to the low of the range and a nice sell opportunity for GBP JPY. Not only that, you can see this highlighted area here. This is kind of a level where I can expect price broke below, and also price to retest and reject this level structure for a continuation to the downside. So this is kind of a nice clean overall kind of just direction in what I'm expecting and why I'm expecting for GBP JPY sells potentially. And so we can see that, we can create this trend line here, and also we can see a nice clean break of this structure. We can see the retest here, previous level of support now becoming future resistance. You know what I mean? These are kind of basic market structure rules that you're going to be able to understand. Okay, this is what's going on. You know what I mean? Price is starting to pull back, but however, it is respecting this level of structure. I don't know the full story behind, for example, GBP JPY in terms of like why it's pushing a little bit higher than it should be. But at the end of the day, like I said, basic market structure, this is a level of support, it becomes future resistance. It seems like it pierced slightly above this level of structure, and now it's kind of holding this level of support. So we could look for potential buys. But again, guys, you want to trade with caution. You don't want to maximize your risk. You want to minimize your risk as much as possible. So I hope you guys are understanding that, guys. Once we get a nice clean breakup of this level structure and we close below, we can start looking for nice clean sell setups for GBP JPY. Okay, and that's why I have that set up here. We've got Daniel trades, we've got simple but very valuable. Hey, you know what, Daniel, I really appreciate it. Really appreciate the support and all the love. You know, I try to create these live streams to be able to help you guys, to support you guys as much as possible, and provide as much value as I can. Guys, if you're enjoying this live stream, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. Also, like I said, don't be shy to comment below, guys. I really want to hear from you guys. I want to hear where you guys are joining us from. So let's continue on. So yeah, like, you know what I mean, price did actually, it seems like it did break above this level of structure, so we can expect a continuation to the downside, as long as we get a nice candle close below these level here's. You know, I'm gonna draw this out here. I'm gonna draw this as a major level here. So as long as you see price kind of break below this level structure, we can start looking for nice clean sell setups for GBP JPY. Okay, that's kind of what I'm expecting there. Guys, welcome. Couple new members just joining in, guys. Really appreciate you all. So like I said, we come live every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. So make sure you guys don't miss out our live stream from tomorrow. It's going to be complete fire, guys, for Thursday live stream. So make sure you guys subscribe below. Hit that notification bell. That little bell icon will help you notify you guys. Trust me, it's like this live stream from tonight. If you don't hit the notification bell, you will not be notified, guys. And I want to make sure that you guys are there for tomorrow and every other day, guys, because trust me, guys, I'm here to provide as much value as possible, guys. I want you guys to learn, and you know, this is amazing, guys, because you're able to ask any questions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask away. You know what I mean? That's what I'm here for, guys. I'm here to support you guys, and you know what I mean? That doesn't mean that I have all the exact answers, but I'll try my absolute best to be able to answer your questions, guys. So make sure you guys comment below. Oh my gosh, I'm getting hiccups here, and excuse me, my god, I got hiccups here on live. Anyways. So we kind of broke above this level here, and we're kind of stuck ranging. So what we want to see is just kind of price kind of break below this level range. We could, however, get a nice retest of these highs potentially before we get a nice continuation to the downside. So we just gotta monitor price and see kind of what price is gonna do. Because if I eliminate this trend line here, and let's say I eliminate this trend line here, right over here, then this will start looking a little bit more clear for you. Because check this out. This is a what? This is a, we've got what? A high of the range. What is this level here? This is the low, the mid level of the range. Okay. And this is the absolute low of the range. Damn, guys, it's been a long day. Okay, so we've got Mikhail here. Hello from Estonia. Looking good trading day. Okay, I've never heard of Estonia, but that's amazing. Welcome. I really appreciate you joining the family, and if you haven't already, make sure you guys join. Guys, smash that like button if you understood that explanation. Let's continue on, guys. So that's kind of what I'm expecting for GBP US. Remember, we are in a what? We are in a ranging market. So what are we looking for after price pushing to the upside? You know, we're starting to exhaust. We can't kind of expect price to fully come all the way down, but we can expect a nice kind of pullback to the level lows of the structure. However, we are kind of trading a little bit above the mid-level structure of the range. So we're gonna see what price ends up doing, but at the same time, we're still stuck in a ranging area within a range. So if that makes sense. So similar, same thing with GBP JPY. Even if we look at Euro USD here, Euro USD, we're kind of in an upwards trend short term wise, but if you look even on the long term or higher time frames, We are looking for sells. We are looking for a nice clean downwards trend to the downside, guys, for Euro USD. And so we have to just trade with caution, guys. Don't just get into a trade just to get in. You know what I mean? You always have to manage your risk. Okay, so we got Michaela here. He's got a question here for us, guys. So hello for Asanya, looking forward to doing trade. Okay, are you looking for confirmations when you enter or when highs are broken and start selling below the range? We're basically I wait for confirmations when price is broken above a ranging level. So what I want to see is price break, but I want to see that candle close, because what could happen is that price could break. So let's kind of show you an example here. Price could break, and the problem is it could break, but it could also create some sort of a wick pattern. So let's kind of zoom into current price action here, guys, and I'll explain to you guys what I'm talking about. In fact, let's go back up to gold, and gold was actually something, a perfect example of what happened with gold. Oh, I cleared the charts. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I already cleared their chart, so you won't be able to see it anyways. But okay, let's continue back onto Euro USD. The problem is, like, let's say for example this level here, right? So we know that price has been selling, and then we got a nice bullish upwards trend line. Essentially, we're going back up, right? And so if I don't wait for that confirmation, now that we see we're kind of creating some sort of a double top here, if I don't wait for a confirmation, let's say this area here, and we get a break below, okay? If I don't wait for a confirmation, what could happen is that price could come down here to these lows over here, and what could happen? It wicks back up, okay? If I don't wait for that confirmation and price comes down to these lows and then it wicks back up or starts forming a pullback, that's it, it's game over. Because basically I'm not waiting for that confirmation. But if I wait for that confirmation and candle closes bearish or candle closes bullish, then at that point I can't be expecting price to potentially pull back down all the way down. The chances are much more less. So we want to wait for a nice strong momentum push to the upside, okay, or to the downside, and then we can start looking for what? Sell setups, right? We've got here, I think it's over here. Yeah, okay. So we can expect some nice push to the upside, pull back, and a continuation to the upside. I think I already had changed this. Give me 1 second here, guys. Okay, so we want to see a breakout because price is clearly ranging. It looks like a double top here on the 30-minute. But price is stuck in a potential range. So what do we look for in ranges, guys? We are looking for a breakout to the upside or a breakout to what? The downside, right? And so this is something we can expect for price to do. You can expect a nice clean back, and then you can pull back, and then a nice continuation to the downside. So that's kind of what I'm expecting for GBPUSD. Guys, if you understood that explanation, let me know in the chat box below if you understood that explanation. Smash that like button if you understood that explanation, guys, on Euro USD and how I can look at the markets. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. Hey, we got Travis. What's up, bro? What's good, Travis? Let's get it, bro. I don't know what those chat bots are. I guess that's very annoying, guys. I don't know what that is, but anyways, guys, you guys know what's good. Guys, welcome to the family. Welcome to La Familia. I really appreciate you guys. So those of you that are just new, guys, welcome. Make sure you guys comment below and introduce yourself. So if you're new to the channel, you have never been here before, guys, let me know your name and let me know where you guys are joining us from, so we can continue on here, guys. So really appreciate it, guys. Let's go. Mikhail, yes, thank you. Awesome. I'm glad that you were able to understand that explanation there on Euro USD and what we can expect. Odd USD, so similar here. What were we looking at, guys? This is a perfect example. Look, let's go back up. What are we seeing price do? Look, we're in a ranging market here. But look at my arrows here in the higher time frame. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at short term, looking for price to come back up to these highs. Why am I looking at that? Why am I expecting price to come to these highs? Well, let's kind of look up the daily. Look, we're trending to the downside. My overall direction for odd USD is to the downside. So I'm going to grab my trend line and I'm going to mark my downtrend nice and clean, right? Nice and clean, nice and tight, nice and clean, right? I'm going to mark it off. And that's what I'm expecting, a continuation to the downside, right? So we saw a nice push back to the downside. However, we respected this level lows, and now we're stuck in this ranging area here. So we're expecting a nice clean breakout to the upside or to the downside. And so as you guys can see, we're going from top-down analysis. We start narrowing it down to the 4 hour, narrowing it down to the 1 hour. We can start potentially seeing some sort of a breakout over here. So we want to be trading with caution, guys. We want to see the next candle close above these level highs here, and I want to see this candle push. I want to see a nice strong momentum push so that it closes above, at least, you know, it could be like midway to this level structure here, but I just want to see price push above. I want to see a strong momentum push, and then we can expect a nice clean push to the downside, guys. So that's kind of what I'm expecting overall, and we can kind of see something like this happen, reject, and then come back down, respect this level of support level. That's what I want to see. Price respect this level of structure, and then we can see a nice clean continuation to the upside, guys. So that's kind of what I'm expecting for odd USD, sorry. In terms of the overall direction, we need to see price break above this level of structure before I can expect a nice clean continuation to the upside, guys. Has it been a long day? Super long day. Guys, if you understood that explanation, smash that like button for me. Yeah, I've had a really long day, guys, so sorry about that. Usually, you know, super pumped, guys. If you also are new, make sure you guys watch all the videos that I have, my latest live videos that I've posted. All these live streams do go live. This morning we were able to catch some amazing trade setups, guys, so make sure you guys watch my previous live streams in my channel. You can click my channel link, and that'll take you to my previous live streams that I have there, guys. So really appreciate you all. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in to this live stream. It is 12:31, so I think I'm gonna call it a night, guys. I really appreciate all the support, all the love, guys. So make sure you guys smash that like button for me, and if there's any pair that you're looking at right now, let me know in the chat box below. Yes, we got Travis there putting those fire emojis. Let's go, bro, let's go. We've got Euro USD, GBP, JPY, GBP, USD ranging same level. If it's correct, then please suggest. Okay, yeah. If anything, guys, any updates, I will let you know in the chat box that I have in the Telegram. So make sure you guys join our Telegram family, guys, as well, because if there's anything that I'm seeing, guys, I do share my analysis on there. So make sure you guys join the family there as well, too, guys. And that's where I keep you guys in the loop. So, guys, thank you so much for joining in, guys. Before I leave, I'm going to be here for a couple more minutes, 2-3 more minutes. So make sure you guys comment below in the chat box. Don't be shy, guys. If you have any questions or any questions about me or whatever the case is, guys, let me know in the chat box below, guys. Let's get it. Mr. Positive, fire, let's go. Let's get those fire emojis, guys. We're gonna kill the live stream tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., guys. So I'm super stoked for tomorrow, guys. Yeah, like I said, I look forward to the live stream for tomorrow, guys. So let's get it, guys. We've got Auto Bliss fire live stream in the emojis, guys. Let's kill this chat box with those fire emojis, guys. Let's get it. Okay, let's take a look at America's USD is interesting. USD daily and 4 hour shows that there can be sell momentum, but what do you think? Let's take a look. USD CAD, actually. I don't think I have it here. I've only got USD/JPY, which in fact USD/JPY we had a nice trade setup, pan exactly as predicted in our direction as well, guys. So USD CAD is the one that you're looking at. Okay, let's take a look here. Let me clear the charts here. Sorry guys, it's been a long day for me. I'm usually yeah, like, you know what I mean, I usually have a little bit more you know, more energy, but today I didn't really get that much rest anyways, because obviously you guys know I'm here live every day. I wake up at 6 in the morning for you guys to be able to kind of kill these markets, because we had an amazing turnout today this morning. Okay, so let's take a look at kind of the daily. Wow, we could see that price for USD CAD was ranging for quite some time. However, we were kind of starting to look for potential buy setups. Price overall was kind of trending slightly to the upside, and so as you guys can see, we got that strong push to the upside. You know, kind of my next target level here would be this level of structure here. Over here, guys, that's kind of where I expect price to react. And so if we narrow it down to the 4-hour, guys, we could see that price had that strong momentum push. However, we are kind of getting a nice clean pullback. We expect a nice pullback to at least these level lows, probably a little bit earlier, to be honest, probably around these levels over here on the left hand side. We can expect price to come potentially back down for USD CAD. So let's see here, guys. Let's take a look at USD CAD here. Yeah, so that would kind of be a level here where I can expect price to pull back down to. This is the daily, by the way, 4-hour. Also, another thing, if we zoom in here, we know that kind of we created some sort of a high level structure here. Okay, we also got a break below this level structure down here, so we can expect a nice clean continuation to the downside for USD CAD, guys. Okay, once we narrow it down to the 30-minute, 1 hour, etc., we can start looking for a nice clean continuation to the downside, guys, for USD CAD. You know, we are trending to the downside here, and to be honest, this would, to me, is just like some sort of a fake up. Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for letting me know, Michael. I don't understand why those bots they come out of nowhere. But thank you so much for letting me know. I keep having to report them. I'm reporting it right now. So thank you so much for letting me know, Michael. Can we sell gold? Mr. Positive, I'll let you know if we can. But as of right now, I don't think so. Give me 1 second. Not yet. We want to wait for that candle, like a strong bearish candle formation, so that we can get on a nice clean sell. But we need to see a nice strong bearish candle close, and then we can start looking for sells. Okay, we don't have that volume yet. We don't have that momentum yet. I'm reporting this, guys. I'm really sorry. I don't understand. I guess this is part of like being a YouTuber here and having to deal with these type of things, right? Like, I'm so new to this type of stuff, and it's crazy how you get all these random bots and stuff like that, and they just start spamming and comments and stuff. You know, I don't understand, guys, like, you know, how people have, you know, the energy and willingness to actually create all these systems or bots or fake profiles and stuff like that, just to use other people's platform to be able to, you know, take advantage or or you know, take advantage of people and do stuff that are just, it's just, I'm like, I don't understand it. Like, I just, you know, if you use that energy on something positive, you'd get ahead so much more in life. You know what I mean? So anyways, guys, I'm really sorry about those bots. I don't know what's going on in the chat box. There's a couple people commenting there, and the bot keeps getting in the way, so I have blocked it and reported it, so it shouldn't be there anymore. Okay, let's take it back. Can we sell gold? Okay, so Mr. Positive, I'll keep you in the loop, but as of right now, I'm not looking for gold sales just yet. Not yet. Mako here, we've got, that's right, man. Get rest and get some profits later. And Pedro, if you want to chat only subscribers, then the bots are not coming in. But if you, so not, yeah. Okay. Travis, yeah, bro, get some rest for real. The bots are annoying. Yeah, USD cat are bearish. Just but the subscribers only mode. Oh, okay. In the chats, but the bots are not coming in just to use the settings. You know that. Okay. I'm taking a look at that, guys. And it says manage moderators. You know what, guys? I'm gonna thanks so much, guys. I really appreciate it. And honestly, every day, I want you guys to know every day I'm working as hard as possible to be able to, you know, improve and everything, guys. So I'm gonna look into that. I'm gonna look into moderators. I'm gonna look at kind of like creating the chat more private so that we don't have to deal with these bots and stuff like that. So do not worry. Thank you so much, and thanks for that suggestion there, Mikhail. And we'll look at that. So let's take a look at gold here, because I know I was gonna leave, but I don't want to leave you guys. I want to keep going. Give me 1 sec. Let's take a look at gold, what ended up happening. You know what? Gold actually ended up breaking above this level here. Kind of what we were looking at anyways, to be honest. Look at my buy setups line here of structure. We were arranging, and you guys know that when we see a ranging market, I highlighted it like this. What do we look for when we're in a range, guys? We're looking for a breakout. You guys know that. So look, we got a nice strong push to the upside. We got a retest. Look at that wick candle right over here. And then what happened? Price started ranging for a little bit, right? So again, I was expecting oil to come to these highs, at least 88, almost $89 a barrel. Excuse me. We reached around 87, and so price was kind of hovering around 86. But again, price kind of went in our favor, which is kind of the more overall, you know, most important thing is just understanding the overall direction. And so we were expecting what prices in a ranging market. We're waiting for a breakout. We got a nice strong momentum push, and then we got a nice break pullback to this level of structure, and then we got kind of a continuation to the upside. However, we ended up kind of just ranging, and kind of price started dying off a little bit. So not the most ideal type of trade, but it is what it is, guys. It seems like even for AUDUSD, we are kind of getting a nice break above this level of structure. We're kind of holding this level of support. So the next candle push, if we get a nice strong momentum push above these level highs, we can start looking for nice buy setups. As long as price breaks above and closes above this level of structure, we start looking for nice buys. And then if you want to see kind of how much of a range we have, we've got about 40 pip range here for AUDUSD. Okay. And then again, even if it comes to these level highs, we can start looking for a pullback of these highs over here, and then a nice continuation to the downside. And then that will be an even better entry for buy setups at these level lows, and that's what we can expect when price comes down there, guys. So we'll see what ends up happening. Let's take a look here. Okay. No, I can't. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Oh man, sorry guys. These guys keep coming back. Alright guys, if you understood the explanation, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate it, guys. There, block this guy out. Okay, we've got Agnes. Agnes, good morning. Welcome, Agnes, to the family. I really appreciate you joining in. Agnes has good morning. Good morning, Agnes. It says, keep going, Pedro. I would like to learn more from you. Hey, Agnes, I really appreciate the love and support. So thank you so much for joining the family. I look forward to working with you guys. And yeah, so make sure you guys are already part of the family and joined and subscribed. Don't forget the little notification though, guys, because that's when you guys are going to get notified when I do these live streams in the evenings. Obviously, I'm here every day. If you forget to hit the little notification, it's okay. I'm here every day at 7 a.m. But it's always nice to get a text message and look at your phone and be like, oh, okay, Pedro's on or whatever, right? So it's always good. Kind of notifies you, keeps you guys in the loop, especially, we get busy and we have our stuff during the day. And so at least that way you guys are notified, whenever I do come live. Travis, we've got gold's looking good. Yeah, bro, gold's looking nice. Like I said, we are kind of at that level highs. Let's take a look at gold, guys, in the meantime. Let's go. Yeah, so gold, see how gold is starting here. Let's take a look at kind of like the higher time frame here on the 1 hour. So we've got gold kind of trending to the upside in the meantime right now, and then we are coming to the structure level highs even on the 4 hour time frame. So like I said, I want to see maybe gold create some sort of a double top formation. We know that this is a major level of structure, and so we can expect a continuation to the downside because we have been trending bearish. You guys can see here on the daily time frame we have been trending bearish. As long as gold is able to respect this level of structure, guys, I am looking for a continuation to the downside for gold, because we didn't respect this level of structure here previously, and so we could see that price did break below and we did get that nice retest. So if price is able to hold this level and we're able to reject, we can start potentially looking for gold sells at this major level of structure. However, if we do see price break above, then that changes the entire bias, overall bias. We can expect price to come up to at least this level highs over here. We could see something like this. I'm going to draw the potential move that we may see if price breaks above this level of structure. We may see something like this. So we get a nice strong momentum push to these highs over here, and then a nice clean pullback. If price rejects this level of structure, we can see price come back up, range for a little bit, and then continue to break a new high and create a new high, and then again continue to pull back and then push higher. Sorry, I had a little moment there, guys. My voice. Yeah, so you guys understanding that explanation? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's get it, guys. Let's go. Let me know, guys. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. Stay here, guys. Do not leave. I'm just gonna go right back. I'm going to the washroom and I'm gonna get some water, guys. Guys, leave some fire emojis in the chat box below. Angie, let's go, baby. Let's go. Leave some fire emojis in the chat box below, guys. I'm gonna get some water because I'm not leaving, guys. I'm not fucking leaving. Let's go. The show goes on. The show goes on. Wolf of Wall Street, guys. I'm not leaving. I think I have the video here, guys. Wait. But anyways, guys, leave some fire emojis if you understand this explanation, guys. And if you're looking to take your trading to new levels, guys, make sure you guys smash that like button as well, guys. Let's smash that like button all the way to 20 likes, guys. We're at 15 likes right now. So I appreciate you all very, very much. And I appreciate the love and support, guys. As you guys know, I'm here for you. And if you guys look at my previous live streams, I was rain, shine, thunderstorm, sick, everything. That's why my voice is still a little bit low, by the way, if you guys are wondering. I was even sick and I was still here, even in the nighttime live streams. I was here for you guys, and I told you guys, I'm gonna be here for you. I'm gonna be here regardless, even if I'm sick. And we were able to catch some amazing trades in the meantime, guys. So that was pretty funny. You guys can probably go back and look at the live streams. My voice was completely shot, but I still came through. So yeah, anyways, guys, give me a few minutes. Give me like a couple minutes. I'm gonna go downstairs to the kitchen, fill up this water, go to the washroom quick, and I'll come right back. So guys, feel free to let me know if you are looking at any specific pairs that you want me to look over, also send the link. I think it should be fine. Send me the link to your TradingView chart, and then I'll push it through the live stream, and then I'll take a look at your chart analysis. So if you guys are looking on TradingView and you want me to look over your charts, now is the time, guys. Let me know in the chat box below. Send me the link. Share with me the link in the chat box below, so that way I can look at your charts, guys. I'm actually curious, and I'm looking forward to looking at your charts, and I can kind of go over. That way you guys can learn, you guys can see kind of how I look at the charts, and we can kind of go from there, guys. Okay, excited. Don't leave yet, guys. Stay here with me, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. All right, guys, we're back. Let's go. Okay, yeah, so let's continue on here, guys. Let's take a look at what we're looking at here. So let me just refresh this page here. Got my water. I was gonna do my tea, but if I do my tea, man, I ain't sleeping tonight. If I do my matcha tea. All right, guys, so let's continue on, guys. Welcome. Couple new members just joining in, guys. These bots keep pushing. They keep sending us this negative stuff, guys. So we're gonna prove them wrong and whatever. I keep blocking it, but I don't know. It keeps coming back. So I'm gonna figure out a way I can get rid of this. So Mikhail, I'm gonna take a look at that. Don't worry, I'm gonna look into that tomorrow morning and look a little bit more in depth on how I can take care of this user and make sure this user never comes back here before again, because that's all they do on every live stream. Kind of weird. Anyways, okay, yeah, so that's perfect. All right, guys, so welcome back, guys. Happy to have you guys. Guys, don't be shy. Let me know where you guys are joining us from. We've got a couple new members just joining in the family, guys. So appreciate you all very much. And you guys know we're always here live every single day in the mornings, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. So let's get it, guys. Those of you that are just joining in, guys, smash that like button, guys. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the little notification bell, guys. That notification is crucial, guys. And so, yeah. Give me one sec. There's lots of ads going on here. I'm just gonna put my music here in the background. Man, I'm Spanish, man. You guys know Latinos, we need our good music, so I'm putting my Spanish music in the background. You guys won't be able to hear it, but at least that kind of gets me going. So guys, you got to do what keeps you going, right? So always staying positive, guys. Mentality is important too with trading, guys. So let's get it. There could be, so we got Shakira here, smiley face. Hey, let's go, bro. Let's go. Hey. Gold up, bro. Yeah, potentially. There could be a change, a short trade if concluded in 1 hour momentum. Yes. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it. All right, guys. Family's growing, guys. Welcome, guys. We've got Jovan's joining it from Uganda. Hey, brother. Welcome. Join the family. Also hit the notification. We got the notification gang. Let's get it. Notification gang all the way. So guys, this is kind of what I'm looking at gold overall, guys. Like, even if we look at the weekly, guys, you know what I mean? Kind of where we're kind of at this major level of structure. We've kind of been ranging here for quite some time, so we're not really trending for gold overall, even on the weekly time frame. However, this could be, to me, this just could be this little push here that we see here that we've been trading for quite some time could literally be a fake out and a pushback for gold to come back up to these highs over here. That could be a potential, especially with so much inflation going on right now. We could expect kind of like gold being like a safe haven, you know what I mean, where people are going to start investing more in gold. Could be a possibility. Again, I don't really look at news or anything like that as much. You know, I focus more on the technicals, but again, it's good to understand the overall kind of you know, news that has to regard with, you know, trading. It is important, guys, and that's why we do have we kind of see what news is going on. It's always important to look at news before we even start the day, guys. We look at, you know, our trading you know, day. We always want to kind of see what kind of news we can expect, guys. We do have some CAD news at around 11:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so that is kind of significant. So any CAD pairs that you're looking at trading, CAD, JPY, anything like that, you guys have to kind of trade with caution, guys. Okay, so Jovan's joining from Uganda. Jovan's, welcome, brother. Agnes here in my country at 7 a.m. Wow, brother, wow. Isn't it crazy how big our world is? It's just insane. It blows my mind. You know how big our world is. So Michaela, we've got, I like Spanish music, total energy, let's go. Yes, bro, you know how it is. I love it's not just because I'm Spanish, man, I'm telling you, but just like the whole Latino vibe, just everything as a Latino, man. I love my Spanish music. You know, I love the culture, I love my culture and stuff like that. So it gets me in the mood, you know what I mean? When I'm driving, man, I'm going to like literally the pharmacy, or I'm going to the grocery store, I'm listening to music wherever I am. So it's really, really important. Same with when I'm trading, guys. So really cool. So we've got Jovan's here. It's 8 a.m. here. God bless you. Hey Jovan's, God bless you too, man. Really appreciate you guys joining in here, guys. All right, guys, let's continue on here, so that way we can all learn here, which is the most important thing. We all kind of see if we have any potential trades lining up before I go to bed, because I do have to come tomorrow again at 7 a.m. guys. You guys know that we have our live streams every single day, so I don't want to stay here too late, so that we can kind of meet back in the morning. Okay, let's take a look. So those are kind of the highs of the range. Gold has been ranging for quite some time here on the weekly. So now that we understand that overall direction, that kind of gives us a bigger picture of kind of the overall direction of the markets and kind of where we're at with gold, right? Kind of helps you understand the overall view, right? So if we reject this level of structure, we know that we have a massive range area to the downside and lots of room to the downside for gold. We can start looking at like probably around like my next target level potentially around these lows over here, 1600s, anywhere between 1532. That could be a major level where gold could come back down if we get a rejection of this level structure. We break below these lows, we see probably gold come down here, right? Obviously this is much more longer term, but I'm just showing you examples if we continue to go to the downside and we reject this level structure and price ends up failing to break above, right? So these are just examples of what price can do. However, if we get price to break above, which is kind of what I potentially could be expecting, then this would kind of create some sort of a like inverse head and shoulders. Look, we've got the left shoulder here, we've got the head, price comes up here and creates the right shoulder. And then now what are we looking at? We're looking at pretty much price creating what a rejection of this level structure, nice clean break and retest, and then we get a nice push to the upside, right, to the highs of the range. So this could be something that we may be looking at longer term anyways, guys. This is just understanding the overall direction, but you know what I mean, we want to see kind of where we're at. Daily is starting to slightly look bullish, but again, like I said, we want to kind of probably see some sort of a double top pattern formation form here. Let me delete this here because that's a little bit too much. For gold, we can kind of see some sort of a double top. If we reject this level structure, then I'm not looking for buys. If we are able to break below these levels here, then we're looking for sell setups. So I want to see anything sell setups below this level structure for gold, and then I want to look for buy setups anything above this level structure above here. So we're looking for buy setups anything above this level structure for gold as well. So we're kind of, it's just really a waiting game, and I think once we get closer to London Open, then we can probably see some sort of a nice clean move, but as of right now, we're kind of ranging within this ranging area, and we just gotta wait it out, guys, and see what price ends up doing. Okay, that's kind of what I'm looking at. As you guys can see, even if we narrow it down to the 30-minute, that's kind of what we're expecting right now. We're kind of in a range. So within this range, we can trade the range. So we're kind of at this high of the range, and this is the bottom of the range. Okay, so we can kind of trade within this ranging area, and I want to see probably sells below this level structure here, and we want to see some sort of a probably potential continuation buys above this level structure. So if we get a nice push to the upside, then we can see nice some sort of a slight pullback and a nice continuation to the upside here. For gold, yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting short term. We just gotta wait it out. It's kind of like a waiting game at this point, guys. what is your analysis for GBPUSD? Let's take a look at GBPUSD, guys. If you guys understood that gold explanation, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it, guys. And also, guys, those of you that are just joining in, guys, make sure you guys subscribe and join the family, guys, because if you're learning, if you're looking to take your trading to the next level and you're just learning, guys, you've come to the right community. You've come to the right place, guys. So I really appreciate you all. Let's get it. Okay, this person is back. And I have completely blocked them. I'm trying my best here. So anyways, guys, really appreciate you all very, very much. I'm gonna leave the link here to our Telegram group, guys, as well. It's absolutely free to join, guys. Make sure you guys click the link and join to our free Telegram group, guys. And that way I see you guys on the other side. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I really appreciate you all very, very much. Let me know if you're looking at any other specific pair here before I leave and call it a night. It is 1 in the morning. It's 1:10 here Eastern Standard Time here in Canada. So I do have to wake up tomorrow at 6 in the morning to do the live stream for you guys at 7 a.m. So I really appreciate you guys joining here and sticking it out with me. So yeah, let's get it, guys. We're almost done here. Okay, look, gold is starting to react. We are kind of getting a rejection of this level structure here. Good. Like I said, I want to see maybe gold. If we break below these lows, we can look for gold sells, and kind of my target level for gold sells would probably be these lows over here for gold sells. Let me just kind of clear the charts here, clean these trend lines here. We can look for nice gold sells probably below this level structure down here. And we can set our targets here like at about 23 pips. So I got our targets below here, that's about 62 pips, okay? That could be a potential trade setup there for gold. Excuse me. Yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Welcome, guys. Yeah, bro, you should go get rest. I'm going to bed now. It's 1:10 a.m. here in Toronto. Yes, it's 1:10 a.m. See you tomorrow morning live. Yeah, we've got the live tomorrow, guys, so I should get some rest because I'm gonna be, like I said, I'm here back at 7 a.m. for you guys. So I'll take a look at US30 before I leave here, kind of let you guys know kind of what I'm expecting. Funny enough, look, exactly as predicted, we had US30 push above. We are on the 4-hour time frame. Look at my arrows, guys. Look at my arrows, exactly as predicted. Price came back down. Look, I even had this boxed out area. Price came back down, rejected this level structure. Look at my other arrow. Price came back up, right? Exactly as predicted, guys. It's insane. And so look at this here. This is my next target level. Guys, if you're looking to catch trades like this live, guys, I literally teach you guys how to do this. But not only that, I literally show you guys, I give you guys free value every single day, guys, in my live streams, guys. It's absolutely free. I'm here every single day at 7 a.m. providing you value, and also here in the evenings providing you value. And look at how price, it literally goes exactly how I predicted, guys. And this won't happen all the time. I'll be honest with you guys. You know, it's about an 80% win rate. It doesn't happen all the time because price won't always go exactly how we want it to. You know what I mean? I just want to disclose that too, because I don't want to tell you I'm an odd, you know what I mean? I can predict everything 100%, but I can tell you one thing for sure. We can definitely advance in terms of how we can predict the probabilities of the market going a certain direction, right? And so that comes with time, that comes with experience, and so yeah, that's kind of what we can look at. Okay, guys, so check US30 here. We've got okay, secure here, bro, 5 minute. We've got Tom Brooks, get some rest, 4 p.m. here in Aussie. I will see you later to late for me. Yeah, let's go, let's get it. Tom Brooks, yeah, I'm gonna get some rest, guys. I really appreciate you guys very much. Thanks for joining in, guys. If you enjoyed this live streams, guys, smash this like button, guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow at 7 a.m. So I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Bye for now.